Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisha. If you're tuning to watch me for the first time and if you're returning to watch me, you're welcome. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I have in my mini skincare fridge. I'd like to give a shout out to the company that sent this fridge to me. It's called CAYNEL on Instagram. They sent this fridge to me. If not for them, I would not have this fridge. So a huge thank you to that company. So I'm going to show you what I have here. If you want to see what I have in my fridge, then please keep watching. And if you don't mind, don't forget to subscribe, like smash that subscriber and subscribe, join the family, and keep watching. Okay, so this is what the fridge looks like. It comes with a pack of stickers, which is what I already used in decorating the fridge, like so. It comes with 2 cables. One you could use to charge the fridge while driving in your car, and the other one you could use to put it on while you're home. I'm gonna open the fridge like so. It's a little fridge. I'm even thinking of getting something bigger because the products that I have here are products that I use like almost every day or every other day, and because it's so small I had to stock them like so. It doesn't look overpacked, but that's what I have in there. I'm gonna start out with my facial mask that I have here. This one is a hydrant mask, and the magic gel mask looks like this. They're all K-Beauty masks. I picked them up from I think CVS and my local Kroger. It's very affordable. I don't know, was it $2.99 that I picked this up for? They were very affordable when I picked them up. And this is a sample of what I picked up from Pixie Beauty. Is the Rose Flash Balm. Looks like this. I'm gonna do a separate clip of every product that I have in here. I have the Glow Tonic from Pixie Beauty. I love the feel of this on my skin. Honestly, this is a repurchase for me, and this is not a review of the products that I have in here. I'm just showing you the products that I have in the fridge. And I have the Retinal Oil from Pixie Beauty, which is what I'm using every night, and so far I love how it feels on my skin. I have this Rose Caviar Essence Serum. This is so good. Like when I apply it on my skin, because of how cold it is, it just makes my skin feel so refreshing. Okay, this one. And this I just picked up from Meharry. I just filmed a video of my haul with Meharry the Swiss. I picked up this. It's a facial moisturizer. I'm yet to use it. I just have it there to, like, you know, get ready for the D-Day, which will be tonight. I'm gonna start using this tonight. Okay, it's a facial moisturizer from their Blue Crystal line, and it's hydrates, firm, and boosts luminosity of the skin, and it has collagen. This is what it looks like. And also this product is the 24 karat gold serum. 24 karat gold. I think it's a primer, but I applied as a moisturizer. I picked this primer from Stylish on Instagram. That brand, they have they're known for sponges, makeup brushes, and also they just started having some facial products that is very good for the skin. Their sponges are one of my favorite products on their website. This I just picked up, and it's so good for the skin. It has a little bit of I'll just give it a good shake. It has a little bit of 24 karat gold. It has a bit of 24 karat gold in it. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what's up. Okay, moving on to the next item I have here is I have the Olay Micro Sculpting Moisturizer, which looks like this. I've been loving this moisturizer since I ran out of my other moisturizer from L'Oreal. I had to pick this up from Sam's Club. It comes 2 in a pack, and so far I love how moisturizing it leaves my skin. It doesn't leave my skin greasy or anything like that. My skin just absorbs the moisturizer, and it's so good. Okay, I have this from Real Beauty. I received this from Influencer. I love this product so much. It comes with a serum, a gel cream, and a moisture mist. And you guys, after my first use of this, like, my skin felt so hydrated, and I got so happy because I received this product during the winter time, and trust me, it was so dry during the winter time. This I highly recommend. I'm going to continue using this. I've used it a few times, and so far I love this product. And then the last but not the least, I have the Meharry Radiance Complexion Booster, which looks like this. It's a serum and a moisturizer in one. I love this product. It's so soothing on my skin. I love how it feels on my skin. It's a repurchase for me. I honestly love this product, and the packaging is so pretty, you guys. Look at that. And the last product, obviously, is my Glow Tonic by Pixie Beauty. I love this product. Honestly love this product. I got this because I have hyperpigmentation, scarring, spots on my skin, and this has 5% glycolic acid. That's the reason why I picked it up, and I use this with this together like during the day. So the fridge it's currently off because I brought it out to film. It has a hot and a cold setting. If you want to keep your things warm, I don't use this setting. I only use the cold setting. And this is the part where you could charge the fridge if you're driving or something, but I don't use that. I obviously use it at home. And this cord right here is where you plug the fridge to get it to work. So this will bring me to the end of this video. I hope this video inspires you to get a mini fridge for your skincare products. Actually, storing your products in the mini fridge like this helps with the longevity of your products, and it also helps make your product effective for your skin. And that's the reason why I was so thrilled when I received this mini fridge from CAYNEL company on Instagram. I was thinking about getting one for myself when this fridge was gifted to me. So I'm so glad that I filmed this video, because this has been a video that I had wanted to film for a long time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.